Good morning, boys and girls. Today, I'm supposed to have a mini lesson for writing. I didn't realize it, so I apologize to you and to your parents. Parents, you're probably going to want to make sure that you're kind of around here with the kids during this mini lesson because it's going to have some tips for you and how to help your child write. It'll make it a whole lot easier. So we're going to talk a little bit about your assignment. Your assignment, boys and girls, is to write and draw a picture about your favorite baby animal. There's also an assignment today in the science portion of your lessons to pick a zoo baby animal and write and draw about it. We're going to let both be the same. So if you have a baby animal that is just a farm animal, Gavin likes farm animals. If you have a zoo animal that you like let's say a hippopotamus or something like that, you can write about it. Any baby animal works. And here's what you're going to do. The first thing you're going to do is think about, what baby animal is it that I like? Well, Mrs. Heckman likes monkeys. I like monkeys. So baby monkeys to me are incredibly cute. So I'm going to write about a baby monkey. Now, the first thing that I have to remember is that I have to come up with a sentence. Now, most of you only need to write one sentence. Some of you can write two. There's a few of you that are very capable of doing that. So make sure that you write 1 to 2 sentences. And the first thing I want you to do is think about, what is it that I'm going to say? I'm going to say, I like baby monkeys. That's going to be my first sentence. I'm going to actually write 2, but I'm going to write, I like baby monkeys. How many words is that, boys and girls? 4. So I need to have 4 words on my paper. So all of you know how to write the word I. That's one of our sight words. So I've got my paper here, and parents, I've divided my paper not in half, but probably in about thirds. And this bottom third is going to be where we write. Whenever we do kid writing, this is where we write. And so let's make sure that when we write, we're going to write down here at the bottom. We're always going to start in the left side of our paper. And we're going to write I. Now, I has to be a capital I because we always start our sentences with a capital letter. So I'm going to write the word I. There's my I. So hopefully you can do that too. If you need to follow along and do this with me, you can always stop the recording and do it as we go along. But most of you can listen to this and then kid write afterwards. All right, I like. Like is also one of our sight words. And so you should be able to write like. But what I want you to remember is that we have to keep spaces between our words. And so in class, we've talked about, you can use your finger if you don't have something like a stick. You can also stick your pencil in there. It kind of gives you an idea of where the next word should go. So I have a space in there. So I'm going to start like right about there. And I know how to spell like. So I'm going to write L-I-K-E. Like. I like. Now I'm going to say my sentence over again. I like baby monkeys. So what is my next word I'm going to write? Baby is my next word. I like baby. So in this next space, I'm going to make sure I have space between my words. I'm going to write baby. Well, baby is not one of our sight words. So what do I need to do? I need to listen for each sound that I hear in the word baby. So I'm going to stretch that word out, and I'm going to listen for the first sound in baby. So I'm going to even tap it out. I can tap it out on my arm, boys and girls. We know how to do this. B, A, B, E. B, A, B, E. B, A, B, E. What is the first sound? B, B, B. I'm going to write a B, and I'm going to write that on my paper. I'm going to write it right there. B, B, B. What's the second sound? B, A. Oh, I know. It's the letter A. Now, boys and girls, do I put a capital A there? No, we never put capitals in the middle of words. All right, B, A, B, A, B, B. Oh, I hear another B. So I'm going to write another B there. B, A, B, B, Abe. I like babe. E, E, E. I hear an E. I'm going to write E. Now, parents, it is okay that they write an E. That is what they hear. We know that baby is spelled a different way, but for kid writing, it's okay that they write exactly what they hear. I like baby. I'm going to do a space and write monkeys, monkeys. All right, that one's a little bit more difficult. All right. Parents, don't give them all the help and tell them exactly how to spell it. They need to listen for each sound. This is how they identify what letter goes with what sound. So, boys and girls, I want you to think about monkey. M, monkey. All right, so I'm going to write an M, I think I hear a U sound. Ma. I'm going to write a U. Ma. Oh, I hear a K. All right, I'm going to put a K down. Monk. E. E. I hear another E. All right. Now, parents, you might notice that I'm missing some letters. M-U-K-E. All right, that is not how we spell monkey, but this is what they might hear. M-unk-e. They might not even hear the N that's supposed to be in there, and that's okay. You just write what you hear. I like baby monkeys. What's that last sound, boys and girls? S. You are right. So I'm going to write an S. And who can tell me what comes at the end of a sentence? We need an end point or something that says stop. That's the end of the sentence. So I am excited about baby monkeys. So I'm not going to just use a period. I'm going to use an exclamation point. So I'm going to make my straight line with a dot at the bottom. I like baby monkeys. Right there. There you go. And so I think actually I'm going to just do one sentence because our time is getting very long. But this is how we do kid writing. Not everything has to be correct. Of course, we know that if I were to underwrite this, that means right underneath it, I would write baby monkeys. And I would tell the kids that these are the letter sounds that they heard, and that I'm very proud of them for writing independently by themselves, hearing sounds by themselves and writing them down. Now, parents, you can direct them through this. You can help them tap out each sound or hear, listen for each sound and direct them. But it doesn't have to be perfect. So then what you're going to do at the top is you're just going to take some time and you're going to make your baby monkey. And boys and girls, let me just tell you, you know my drawings. They can be a little kooky crazy, but I'm going to show you my monkey and we'll have a good chuckle. I'm going to do it real quick, and I don't have other crayons with me. So, and of course I would be filling that in, but it's very cute. All right. There's my monkey. And of course I can add other illustrations with it. Always use 3 to 5 colors when you're coloring your pictures. Don't just use one color, boys and girls. You know, my monkeys are maybe some brown, some black. Maybe I might even want to put a baby monkey up in a tree. Mine has a banana, so I'll be using the color yellow. But enjoy your activity with your family today. And when you can, go ahead and post your picture to your portfolio on Dojo or send it to me on Class Tag. And I will look those over and be impressed at how much your writing's improved. All right, well, that's it for today. There are some stories coming. I will post those later, or if they haven't posted them already. Enjoy your day. It looks like it's going to be sunny. Have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you next week. Bye.